Good morning. Yuli's always happy. Good morning, guys. How you all doing? I was obvious today. I didn't work last night. I slept all through. I was supposed to record a sit-down video for my Instagram, but I didn't have time for that. I was super tired. Besides, if you're not following me on Instagram and you want to join my Instagram family, my name is the same thing, Udokajane on Instagram with _. I'm going to put it out there for you guys if you're interested in joining me on Instagram. The weather is beautiful today. First of all, it's 76 degrees Fahrenheit. Convert that to Celsius. I don't know. I don't have the brain for that right now. All my brain think about is the hospital. I work in a psych hospital. And you know what it means to work in a psych hospital? Every day, fight. You remember when I went to Utah, I got this fish from Utah.
So I popped the fish into the oven to start grilling. This is the process before I started. I picked up 3 and I got it in there. Then I think I wanted to go out. I don't know what the hell I was doing, but I was going back and forth trying to fix something. Then I decided to stretch my legs a little bit with this thing I got from TikTok shop. After working out, I decided to have a little bit of watermelon to kickstart my day. The day is better whenever you start with watermelon. Then I also went to my filming room to... No, that wasn't my filming room. This is the kitchen. I was talking to one of my friends and he was cracking me up. Yeah. Then I also ran to Walmart to buy some things, and these are the things I got from Walmart. And this is me bringing in the things I got from Walmart, because you guys, I've been complaining about me not having food at home, and this is me nagging about flies all over because I was grilling fish. That's why come on, look at the flies. It's so annoying. Because of the fish I was grilling, that's why I had so many flies flying in the kitchen. I was pissed off. And these are the things I bought from Walmart. I was feeling good. Yeah. You guys, I have a candle I'm burning here. This candle smells so good. I'm going to show you guys this candle later, but the candle smells so good. And I picked up the Raid to kill all the flies. So here is the fish I got from Walmart. This fish is so cheap. And I'm a lover of kiwi. That's the plantain. This is my banana, my water. And because I'm out of this Dawn liquid soap, I got more, my vegetable oil, and I love needle milk, and I also like to drink coconut water, and I bought this rice. Then I got a bag of what is that, paper towel. That's my potato, and spinach for cooking. And guys, I got my friend in Atlanta, Gloria, bakes, so I got that cake from her. And here I am using this potato I got from Walmart as a base because I want to cook. Usually I call it oha soup, but my friend Gloria said I should stop calling it oha soup. I'm cooking oha soup but with spinach. So this is the fish I grilled. It's ready for me to use. And here I am getting it together. I think I'm talking too much. I better be quiet. Guys, here is the ogiri I want to use. If you know ogiri very well, you understand my reaction.
I can't eat this.
I just poured the blended potato into the pot. That is the base of my soup, my oha soup. I'll be using spinach to cook. And this is the congealed oil I'm also trying to use. I'm trying to get oil from the gallon.
They maintain the boya.
So my soup is almost ready.
Yeah, our pantry. Then I'm going to give my...
Leave it to boil. Then I think I should go in with my crayfish now. A bit. Oh, the fish first. Here is the grilled fish, or the smoked fish actually.
That's tilapia. Now, I put that for oven. Woman gets money, go diggers and now quarry. You got one you like clicking, one not like it.
I think I already put my crayfish in here, so I'm putting this oziza. Yeah, I'm always mistaking otaza and oziza. This is oziza.
One more crayfish. This soup tastes so good, so good. I can smell the uzuza, I can taste the uzuza. Oh my gosh. The ice fish, oh, the taste of the ice fish, the smoked ice fish is so good. But I don't like the smell of agri, just too much. The smell is just too pungent for me. Then the uzuza leaf finished to work. The uzuza leaf finished to work. And I think I don't know, I think the spinach, I think my spinach leaf is too much. I don't know. But I added a little more crayfish to it, you know. So let's see. Uzuza meshiwela. Okay. Okay.
This is supposed to be oha soup, but because I don't have that, I use spinach in place of oha. If you notice, I always drink this bread juice. This is watermelon juice. It's a freshly squeezed juice. Freshly squeezed watermelon juice. That's what it is. Okay.
It's work time, you guys. I'm all dressed up for work. I'll see you guys in the morning. Have my work bag. And off I go. See you guys. Bye. Good morning. Up and grateful, oh Lord. Up and grateful. I'm back from work. Up and grateful, Lord. Up and grateful. This thing has been trending on Instagram and TikTok.
You guys, I just woke up from my sleep because I work night shifts, so I usually sleep in the afternoon. So it's safe to say good morning whenever I wake up. I'm feeling good today. I'm feeling good at this point. So I think I've been having this dry skin around that area. That's what I was showing you guys. And I don't know what to do to it, but it just itches me a lot and it sort of changed color. Yeah, I got this thing I ordered from TikTok shop, and here I'm unboxing it. I think you guys have already seen it because I used it earlier, but this was when I got it newly. I was unboxing it here, and I was just trying to figure out how it works. So because I couldn't figure that out and I wanted to work out, so I decided to do this skipping jumping rope thing. And I'm back in the kitchen. I didn't clean up my stove after cooking yesterday because I didn't have time for that, so I'm doing a cleanup right now. and I'm getting ready to make me something to eat before I go back to work. So I think I'm going to cook plantain. I already have my plantain grilling in the oven. Then I started to do my sauce, the red oil sauce. Here is my blended tomatoes and peppers. And here is the grilled plantain I already had in the oven grilling, and they are ready. Okay, for the first time I want to try this. I've heard about grilled plantain and groundnut. I haven't tried that before. This is me trying it here. I must tell you guys, nope, I don't like it. No, I'm not gonna try it again. No, I don't know how you guys enjoy this grilled plantain and groundnut. No, I don't like that. So this is me here. I'm going to use, please don't call EFCC for me, I beg. I only used one titles, I beg, Ejo. So I used titles here because I couldn't. Why do I even use titles? Nothing. I just use titles to do this. Food is ready, and here I am with my red juice, my freshly squeezed watermelon juice. You guys should try this. So that's watermelon and I added ginger. So this is it. I'm enjoying the meal. The meal tastes so good. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. Kisses.